It rained yesterday pretty good. Yesterday and the day before. I'm surprised this water is not like chocolate milk. Maybe I just can't see it yet. The sun hasn't fully come up. Am I stuck on something? That's a fish. Yeah, he got me hung up. Okay. Alright, we're gonna have to go over there. Oh yeah, and it's a very decent fish too. Okay, I'm in a mess. Let's get out of here. All right, now we can get out of here. All right, it might be a good day today. Oh wow, 2.5 or close to 3. Thank you, dude.